In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your hardware acceleration settings on Google Chrome. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by utilizing your computer's GPU to process graphics-heavy tasks, making things smoother and potentially faster. But on some systems, it can also cause problems, so knowing how to toggle it can be really helpful. Let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once launched, take a look towards the upper right corner of the window. You'll spot a menu icon represented by 3 vertical dots. This might also be referred to as the hamburger menu due to its layered appearance. Click on these dots to open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find several options for customizing and controlling Chrome. What you want to do next is select Settings. This option will guide you to another window where you'll be able to see a thorough list of customizable settings for your browser. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand panel on the settings screen. Here, you'll need to look for an option labeled System. Click on it, and the right panel will update to reveal settings related to your device's system and performance. Within the system settings, you'll find an option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. This is the feature that leverages your computer's graphics processing unit to help Chrome perform more efficiently. If you want to enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the on position. However, if you are experiencing any issues or simply want to turn it off, switch it to the off position instead. Whichever option you choose, enabling or disabling, you will need to apply these changes for them to take effect. Look towards the bottom of this settings page, and you'll find a button labeled Relaunch. Clicking on this button will restart Chrome, applying the changes you've just made to your hardware acceleration settings. When Chrome reopens, it will have applied the new settings you selected, and you're all set. If you've enabled acceleration, notice if the browser feels smoother or performs differently. However, if you experience instability or other issues after making these changes, simply follow these steps again to revert to your previous setting. And that wraps up our tutorial today. Now, you know how to toggle hardware acceleration in Google Chrome, and you can adjust it to match your needs. Understanding how these settings impact your browsing can lead to a smoother and more efficient web experience. Thanks for joining, and I hope this video has been informative and useful for you.